Hello and welcome back to the channel. You probably haven't seen her in a little while. This is Christina. This is my wife. The boys are in bed, thankfully, because we have another. It's not a munch pack. You'll probably be able to tell by the title of the video. This is not the munch pack, but it's from the same company that makes munch pack. This is the cheat pack.
Yay.
Healthy and indulgent snacks delivered to your door by munchpack.com. So this is supposed to be still kind of good, kind of tasty stuff, but maybe a little bit healthier. Probably not, because there's actually another one that they're shipping right now called Health Pack, which is intended to be really more healthy related snacks. But
I'm excited for both.
yeah, it's a snack, so she's definitely in for it. I don't have any idea on the pricing, the availability of this. I went to their website, and the stuff about Cheat Pack is still not out there, but I think they've been changing up all their pricing, so it's going to be between like $10 and $40 and $1 million. So just somewhere in that range.
It costs money.
It costs the money. If you can afford to buy the candy over the internet, they will take your money. So there you go. So let's open this up, see what comes in it, take a taste of a few things and see what we think of it. So let us see. Made just for you by Roxanne. Cheat Pack.
Thanks, Roxanne.
Ooh, enter win a free cheat pack. Take pictures and share on social media. This was a free cheat pack, so I can't ask for another one. There's also a Munch Pack snack scanner. I think I do have that installed on here, and I keep forgetting to mention it. They have an app in the App Store now called the Snack Scanner. So we'll see. This may be able to be more helpful toward what these things are. So
I didn't know that was a thing.
Yep, it is a thing. So grab something. We'll take a look. We'll talk about it. We'll try it. I'll try to stay on camera.
I already know what this is.
She knows what this is. Should we save it for later?
We're going to save these for later because we already know what these are and we know what they taste like.
We've had those from the Munch Pack before.
Yeah.
Cannoli chips.
Yeah, these are from the United States, but
they're powdered sugar flavor. Let's go ahead and just scan it and just see. Nope, no product found. So it doesn't exist. We'll try it with another one.
These taste like little mini funnel cakes almost. Mm-hmm. They are delicious.
They are. They're really
highly
good.
Recommend. I will be eating most of this bag later.
They'll probably disappear, yeah. Next in the bag, next in the box, popped chickpeas. Watusi Pop Chickpeas Zesty Ranch flavor. This actually sounds like something I would be heavily into. 100 calories for this little bag. So this is what they would consider a more healthy snack, but hopefully kind of tasty too. You can hopefully see it there. It's got balls in it, big green balls.
So, are you going to open it up or are you going to...
We can open it up and give it a try and be very loud.
Where is this from?
It's, I think most everything in here is from the U.S. Oh no, it says down on the bottom line. This one's from the U.S. I see some from other countries.
We have some other countries in it. That's cool.
Ooh. There's not a whole lot of smell in there.
It smells like ranch.
And I said Watusi, but I think it may be what you see because it's got a U in the middle. Yeah. Well,
I was laughing at you.
You were laughing at me. Zesty Ranch. Packed with protein. It's kind of like crappy cheese balls.
That are ranch flavored. I don't really care for it. It's not gross.
No. It's not a snack that I would come running back. Well, actually, the second one, that ranch really starts to pile on.
Is it made with pea flour?
Chickpeas. Baked green pea and chickpea.
Okay, so chickpea, green pea powder probably.
Chickpeas blend. Green peas, rice, and chickpeas. Sunflower oil, onion, sea salt. So lots of things to make your breath smell super good. Want a kiss? What would you like to take a look at next? Let's get this taste out of our mouths while we're here.
Okay, I want to try this one. I saw it underneath. Okay, so this is Eiffel Bonbons Watermelon from France. Chewy and sweet candies with fruity watermelon flavor. This sounds great.
Let's see if they're scannable. No, it ain't doing anything. We gave it a shot. Sorry, Munch Pack people. Let's open it and give it a taste.
See if it's good.
We're leaving that in.
Well, that was interesting. They just went flying.
I've heard lots of people say that unboxing is not a skill. It's something that anybody can do. Clearly not.
No, it's not. Oh, this is fun. There's one down my shirt.
Oh, no.
That's one I'll eat.
I was going to ask for that one. Chewy and sweet. Ooh, that's quite chewy. It tastes good, though. It's a very subtle watermelon-y taste. Any more hidden down in there?
No.
Let me go digging.
No, that's it. It was like stuck right above my belly button. I don't know why it's stuck right there, but...
I like these.
They're good.
It's not a very strong flavor, but it tastes less like fake watermelon-y like you get in the United States.
It's good. It's like...
It's more like a real watermelon flavor.
Tastes like something I've had before, but...
The first ingredients are sugar, glucose syrup, sorbitol. Yeah, There ain't nothing real in this.
It tastes a tiny bit like a Halloween. There's a little candy that I would get sometimes that it's a hard candy. It's red. The outside of it looks like a watermelon. The wrapper does. It's similar to that, but it's better than that. If anybody knows what that is, what I'm talking about. I like them.
These are pretty good, though.
I'll pick all the rest of the ones up off the floor in a minute.
Yeah, and they will all be gone shortly, too.
Our floor is clean.
Next up, I will start at the top of the package again. Beanfields Bean Chips. Bean Chips. Pico de Gallo, full-on flavor. These are from the U.S. Health conscious, it says on here. This one, actually, you can see on it now. If you can read that text at the bottom, it says health conscious on this one. The chickpeas were health conscious. The watermelon things say indulgent. So it's kind of a mix of both of those. And I'm guessing that the health pack, when it comes, is going to be more just health conscious things. And so far, I'm kind of okay with that. I know it's nice to have the sweets and the sugaries and the deliciouses.
I'm probably always going to pick the indulgent things.
Yeah, which means we're going to have a box and I'm going to get the healthy stuff out of it. Yeah, because I see the next thing in the box. I'm going to skip these for now because we don't need to open a bunch of chips right now. But the next thing in the box, you're going to love it. This actually says health conscious. Why does that say health conscious?
Because it's organic.
It's organic. Because you definitely want...
It's probably less
It's a
sugar.
super healthy stroopwafel.
It probably has less sugar than...
A bowl full of sugar with sugar on top and maple syrup.
It has... How many?
Don't get me wrong. I do love me some stroopwafel. So does she.
It's 10
grams of sugar in that.
That's not that bad.
Yes, it is. Open it if you want to open it. We can move on if you want to move on.
I want to move. I know what a stroopwafel tastes like.
True. Let's see. Here's... This one does not have indulgent or health conscious. It just says turkey on it. It's...
Cheese crackers.
Yeah. Ulker's tsetse salted cheese crackers.
Let's open it. We'll see.
The last munch pack we got, I didn't actually do on camera. It had cheese wafers. It was like the wafer cookies that you get that have wafers and cream, but it was cheese flavored. And it was sweet, and it was salty, and it was super weird. I kind of wish that I put that on camera. I tried a couple, and it's like, it wasn't very cheesy.
I couldn't even put it in my mouth. It smelled so weird.
I'm dropping stuff.
We have the dropsies tonight.
Mm-hmm. That's pretty good. It's very subtle. It's kind of like a Ritz cracker. Not very cheesy at all.
It tastes like cheese?
Yeah. It has a little hint of... Has a little hint of cheesiness to it.
Tastes like a Ritz cracker with a little bit of cheese baked in. Yeah.
That's what I said.
But not like a Cheez-It. Not as cheesy as like a Cheez-It.
No, not at all.
I like it better, actually. Mm-hmm. Our children will like this.
Yeah. Yeah, those will go away very quickly. That's next up. Unless you want to dig and find something.
Mm-hmm. Let me dig.
Oh, no. I've already seen the bottom of the box.
There's a giant cookie in there.
That's a giant cookie.
Okay, we're going to skip that first. This is indulgent again.
I love the name, and I want to hear you say the name.
Trululu?
Trululu.
Trululu. I have no idea how to say the next word.
Fresitas.
Gummies. My Spanish, not so good.
Mine is not so good either, but I can at least say a few of the words. So I probably said that wrong. But anyway, soft and chewy. Go ahead.
Strawberry gummies with a cream-flavored twist.
From Colombia.
We're opening this one. We can always do. How about you open it so I don't fling them all over the world?
I will open stuff and she will fling them. So you got the corner.
I've always want to open bags like this and not tear it.
Sniffle.
Oh my gosh.
Sugary, strawberry.
Strawberry.
If Duncan were down here, these would be gone.
Yeah, he really likes some strawberry candy.
He really likes gummies.
They're very chewy.
Very chewy. It tastes good.
It's a lot chewier than I was expecting. The flavor is good.
Again, it's kind of subtle. From the U.S. stuff, the American stuff, we're used to it being a little bit stronger. Any of the international stuff seems to be a little bit more subdued, and I'm kind of okay with that.
I feel like that was strong. I
don't think it was very... Well, my taste buds are kind of screwed up. I've had a lot of hot food and a lot of sour stuff, so yeah.
You can't really taste sour.
Yeah.
Kind of weird.
Yeah.
Like Sour
Not
Patch.
as much anymore.
Like Sour Patch Kids, I can barely eat them, and he was
the bag will be gone. Next thing I see, it says it's from the U.S. It's health conscious. It's New York. Dill pickle peanuts. You don't want to eat a dill pickle peanut?
I like dill pickles and I like peanuts, but I'm not sure. Like that's like Sonic having the dill pickles.
But maybe it's like the Reese's peanut butter cups. You got your chocolate in my peanut butter. Well, you got your peanut butter in my chocolate.
You got my pickles in my peanuts.
I'm doing it.
I don't know about this one.
Because I know this is probably not going to go well.
That sounds gross. He doesn't even really like dill pickles.
No. But I do like weird flavored things. Like, I will buy a bag of chips that say that they're pickle flavored.
He likes
or pizza flavored.
Weird chips. Every time we go to the grocery store, he
buys
all the weird chips.
That's plasticky. That's not pickly. It's got a little hint of pickliness to it. I'm going to bite it.
No, it smells like vinegar.
That's a
I'm not trying it.
that's a pickly peanut. Oh, it's just tarting up.
Get a drink.
I'm good with sour. I'm not good with tart. Ugh.
That is great.
Oh, my face is going to implode on itself.
We're throwing these away, huh?
Yeah, those should go away.
We need to give them to your dad tomorrow.
No, those should just go away forever.
Yeah.
Ugh.
That would be funny.
It kind of tastes like a urinal cake smells.
Well, I don't know what that smells like, so
Yeah.
but
That's not good. It's just not good. All right, we got two things left in the box. We should probably try one of the two. Which would you prefer?
if we open the cookie, we have to eat it all because it will not keep.
Yeah.
The other thing
Oh.
is we have
Pickly.
here. I'll pick them up while you.
I need something to get the pickly out.
He's got pickle taste in his mouth. Okay, so we've got. I have no idea how to say that.
It's from Lotte brand.
Lotte
Nude Nude Pepero.
I don't know. Crunchy biscuit sticks filled with sweet chocolate cream
It's an indulgent.
from South Korea. That sounds good. And then we also have. I wish this was like a live thing because then people could vote.
They could tell us how to pronounce things.
Well, they could tell us how to pronounce things, but they could also vote on which ones they want us to try because it would probably be the funny, gross ones like the pickle peanuts.
Yeah. But then we can't edit out all of our terrible reactions.
You're probably not going to edit out all of our terrible reactions anyways.
No.
Okay, this one is from the United States. It's a Lenny and Larry's The Complete Cookie Snickerdoodle flavor.
Yeah.
I
don't think we should actually have that one because I've had one before.
Oh, you have?
Yes. They sell those at Dick's and at the grocery store, and
Oh, they
I've
do.
tried them before.
They're good too.
They're okay. They're kind of doughy and they're kind of Play-Doh-y.
They're fiber.
They're very fiber and very protein heavy, but they're also very calorie heavy.
Are
So
they?
I mean, this it says it's health conscious, but it's kind of an indulgent.
It's only 200 calories. Oh, for
400,
half a cookie.
The cookie's this big, but it's a 400 calorie
Wow,
cookie.
that's-
It's the size of a burger.
That's a big
Yeah,
cookie.
that's-
But if you were like out working out somewhere and you got back in your car
And
and
you just desperately needed a sugar cookie.
you desperately needed something to eat
I know.
that had protein.
That has a lot of protein in it. So do you want to try the pepero?
Yes.
Pepero.
Pepperoni.
It's like pepperoni, but not. Oh look, it's like Pocky Sticks. Ah, I've still got pickle nuts in my mouth. I gotta get some chocolate to get the pickle nuts out.
Okay.
That is infinitely better. Again, it's subtle. It's not pickles.
Chocolate filled.
It's like a reverse Pocky. You got the cream on the inside as opposed to on the outside.
When I smelled it for some reason, I thought it was going to be hazelnut on the inside, even though you said it was going to be chocolate.
It does smell a little bit hazelnutty. I almost stuck this up my nose.
That would have been pretty funny.
Yep.
It's like the chocolate is only in the middle, like the end is hollow.
I'm going back for a watermelon thing. I gotta get this pickle taste out of my mouth. It will not go away. I gotta get rid of these things. They're killing me.
Just from smelling it, I knew I didn't want to eat it. I did not like the strawberry candy as much as I thought I would.
Yeah. But all in all, for a middle of the road box, you know, you've got Munch Pack, which is very, very heavily focused on the sugary, chocolatey, sweet,
Spicy.
a little bit spicy, not usually.
There's always spicy chips of some kind.
Sometimes, or there's like a spicy candy or something.
Or
Yeah.
Cheeto or Sucker
Yeah.
or something.
But still, you've got that very, very indulgent box. I'm guessing the health pack is going to be more of these health conscious, you know,
This kind of stuff. Like this.
like this kind of. No, please no more of these ever. I know that's for somebody. Somebody probably likes them, but the more healthy stuff will be in health box. This is kind of a mix of both. So you
the best of both worlds.
You can kind of trick yourself into thinking you're being healthier this way because you get a little bit of tasty stuff and you get a little bit of why, just why. I think that's where we'll wrap it up for today. We got a lot of cleanup work to do and a lot of unopened treats that we'll share with the boys when they are awake again in the future, and a long video to edit. So thank you guys as always for watching. Anything you'd like to add?
See you next time.
We'll see you next time. Bye bye.